Here's how to create fonts, stickers, and logos quickly and easily with PosterMyWall. In the editor, click on AI on the left panel, then select AI Images. Next, click Text Art. Enter your prompt, detailing your design, style, and colors. Choose your preferred settings like the style of your text, the aspect ratio of the image created, and your preferred AI model. Then click Generate. Finally, click the design you like to add it to your canvas. Next, navigate back to AI Images. Add in a detailed prompt describing the object, then click Sticker. Now adjust the settings like art style, aspect ratio, and preferred AI model. Then click and select your sticker to place it directly into your design. Lastly, click AI Images again, choose Logo, and type a detailed prompt describing your brand name, color scheme, and visual elements. Choose your style settings like art style, aspect ratio, and preferred AI model. Generate the options and click to add your final logo. And that's it! Enhance your designs effortlessly with PosterMyWall.